In this video, we're unboxing the Raintok wiper blades. This is the second set of these blades that I've had, and what I like about these is that it comes with all three blades that you need for your vehicle. So I got these for a Toyota vehicle, and it comes with both front windshield wipers, and then it comes with the rear windshield wipers. So we're just going to open up the box here and show you exactly what is included. The box has some different tabs in there. They kind of fold up weird, but we will get this open here and show you what's inside. So you've got both wipers here for the front. So we've got both of our wipers here. That's the first one, and then here's the longer one. And then here we've got our smaller rear wiper for the vehicle. And then it gives you some installation details. Now, what I like about these is that not only are they sealed up so that they're not going to get scratched up, but they even include putting on a little piece of plastic there on the edge. We'll show you that. And that protects the blade in transit from getting nicked up, so that when you put it on your vehicle, you're going to get a nice clean wipe. So this piece of green plastic right here is what protects that edge. So overall, very happy with these. That's why I got these again. And they're very easy to install on my Toyota vehicle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.